Come to a no cool call in Indio, California.
I'm gonna do a no cool. Okay, front blower is not running. So you take the little bag and the lighter. Go up in the attic. Hopefully it's just a capacitor. It's like 140 in the attic. Let's go. What up, people? Part 2 of this video.
Remember, people turn off your AC if it's not working.
Some of the renters saying the AC is not working. I go inside. Well, I find the key. They have stash. Go inside. The AC is calling, but no fucking fan or nothing is running. I hope this condenser is not running. Now this thing is gonna be completely frozen if there's no blower action going down. Oh, hopefully they turn off this breaker.
Nice. They smarter than most.
Yep. So, at least the breaker was off, and it's not frozen. Nice. Good job, people. Some people leave this running thinking it's gonna fix itself. Well, that thing would have been completely frozen if the blower inside is not running. No airflow. Let's go.
Yeah, the circuit control board is the problem.
What up, what up? You see, circuit board is burnt. That's why blower's not going on.
Was hot as hell in that attic.
Hot as fuck up in here. But anyways, I think I have one in my van. One of these brand new boards. Let's go check. Plus, no one's here for a week, so I gotta order it or pick it up. It's cool. Come back in the morning when it's
A stocked van gets the job done in a Swift.
Yo, people. I do have this fucking circuit board in stock. What do I say? Stock van gets this shit done in a Swift. Brand new right there. Look at no burn spots. So your haters don't think it's the same board. Let's go. Swifty to the rescue. Just like that. Old board, new board. All because we have it in stock. It's ready to get turned back on. It's fucking hot as fuck up here. Let's go.
She alive. It's up and running.
1.8. And it's 12 amps. Let's go inside specs. Old board. And behind there as well. You can see it. I stocked that board. I need to find another one out. Those are the York ones. Just like 100 and some units.